Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the introduction to levels and methods of social work. And let me first clarify that this is just an introductory video. We are not going to move into the detailed aspects of the definitions and things like that. It's just going to be about what are the levels and what are the methods and how do they relate with the units of intervention. So let's begin. Here in this slide you are seeing the levels of intervention, and they are micro, meso and macro. Now if you are accustomed with the language of English, micro means something which is the smallest, meso is something that is between micro and macro means something that is large. So what is the smallest unit of intervention that we deal with in social work? That is an individual. So the micro level of intervention, your unit of intervention would be an individual. A little bit more, a little bit bigger than this would be a meso level. So meso level means a group, and that means you are dealing with the problems of all the members of the group, their common problems. And then more than this would be a macro level method, and that means you are dealing with the problems that a community is facing, that is at a larger magnitude. Now that would be many, but then you have to prioritize them and start with the intervention, which again depends on a lot many constraining factors. Methods. So primary methods we have got three, that is social casework, social group work and community organization. And in secondary methods again we have got three, that is social action, social welfare administration and social work research. Now that means altogether there are six methods of social work, falling into two categories of primary and secondary. So three methods are there in the primary methods and three are there as the secondary methods. So social casework. Now a casework is that method which you will be using with the smallest units of intervention, which means either an individual or a family, if all the members of the family are being troubled with that particular problem, then that is social casework as your unit, as your method that you are using for intervention. Making a move to a higher level, that is social group work, the intervention here is with the groups, which means all the members of the groups are facing similar problems, and then you are intervening into those problems, trying to help them to overcome their own problems by building on their capacities, by sharing of experiences. And so this method is social group work. And community organization is something that you practice at the macro level, which means here the problems are that of the community. Now as we make a move towards higher magnitudes, in that case the problems become more and more complex and they will be more in number as well. So your prioritization process will happen more when it comes to the macro level intervention. So this was about the primary methods of social work. We also do have got the secondary methods, which are also known as the indirect methods. And why they are indirect is because you are not dealing with the clients directly over here, but then your interventions are somewhere going to affect the client indirectly. So the first method here is social action, which means you are doing some action for and with the society. Like any movement that you pick up, that is a part of social action. So there is a problem, people gather together, they organize themselves and go for an action, and that is what is being called as social action. Then you have got social welfare administration. When you break the term, you get the meaning. It is about administration of the welfare services for the society, which means here we are concerned with the plans and the policies and the schemes and the yojanas and things like that, which will be affecting the society, and this is all designed for the welfare of the society. Now the last method is social work research, and research means you are searching back. Research, to search back from something that is known to something that is unknown. And when we are talking about social work research, then our focus is more on application. Our focus is more on how this finding, how this study will be helpful for resolving the problems at the societal level or even at an individual level. So here, with this table, you can understand that which method can be used at which level. So at the micro level, it can be the primary method goes as social casework, and the secondary method you can even do a research, a study on a single individual, and like that it can take the form of case study. Then at the meso level, you have got social group work, and here larger the magnitude, you can use the smaller level methods or smaller level interventions as well, which means at the meso level, when you're intervening with the group, you can even apply casework with any member of the group, and at the same time you are applying social group work. Now, the when we make a move to the secondary methods, in that case, we have got social work research and social action, which means you can either formulate a group, you can organize a group and work towards an action, which means they will be coming together and doing something for their own betterment or maybe for the betterment of the society at large. And then social work research, here you can research upon a group. At the macro level, all the methods are applicable, and so this is about an introduction to the levels and methods of social work. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see such videos further, do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions, please post them in the comment box. You can even tell me what type of subjects or what type of topics would you like me to make the videos upon. So please do comment below. Thank you and have a great time ahead.